kindergarten. Let's go ahead, shake those arms awake, and let's touch our shoulder, our elbow, our wrist, slide it down, shoulder, elbow, wrist, slide it down. Make sure that you've practiced your letter names, your phonemic sounds, and those sight words. Here we go. G-onk, gonk. D-onk, donk. D-ank, dank. F-ank, fank. F-ang, fang. W-ang, wang. W-ink, wink. Sh-ink, shink. Sh-ong, shong. Ch-ong, chong. Ch-ung, chung. M-ung, mung. M-ing, ming. J-ing, jing. Good job, kindergarten. We have a brand new sound today, so get yourselves ready for it. Your new sound today is U-N-K, unk, unk, unk. Unk. Can you think of any words that end in unk? That end in unk. Can you think of any words that end in unk? What about shrunk? My sweater shrunk in the wash. Whoops, shrunk. What about gunk? Oh, we should probably clean all the gunk out of that pipe. Gunk. And what about dunk? I can dunk a basketball. Kindergarten, let's practice some unk words today. Arms back out, shake it awake. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, slide. Here we go. Ch-unk, chunk. J-unk, junk. B-unk, bunk. Last one. Th-unk, thunk. Kindergarten, please go and get yourself a piece of writing paper. Remember, you can always use the back side or the bottom side of one of those papers. A pencil and an eraser. I will be here when you get back. Your first word today, kindergarten, is chunk. Chunk. I used the file to take a chunk out of the cube. Chunk. Chunk. Remember to always pause the video so that I don't go too fast. I want to make sure that you are sounding out these words all by yourself. And then you're just using me sounding them out to check. Here we go. Chunk. Ch. We haven't used that one in a while. Ch. 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 C-H. Ch. 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 C-H. And remember, it has to be in that order. C-H for it to say ch. You can't have that H first. It doesn't work like that. Ch-unk. Unk. U-N-K. Unk. U-N-K. Chunk. Are you ready for your next one? Your next word is dunk. Dunk. I can dunk the basketball. I can dunk my head underwater. Dunk. Make sure you pause so that you can write it all by yourself, because I know you can. Here we go. Dunk. D-unk. D. That's a D. We have to make sure it goes the right way. I'll put it right here. My D always looks that way. That way. D-unk. Can you say the letter names for the sound unk? And I'll write them. U, yep. N, K. Looks Good, kindergarten. Dunk. You have just one more word today. Your last word is junk. Junk. J-unk. Make sure that you pause so that you can write it all by yourself. J-unk. Junk. J. Ooh, some of you might say, Miss Stahler, J is the letter G. That's a tricky one, kindergarten. It is not the letter G, it's the letter J. J says J. J-unk. I bet I can write the unk sound without even looking down here or at the other words. I'm going to see if I can do it. I bet you can too. Unk. I got it. All right, kindergarten. Please take your arms out, shake them awake again, and let's sound out our unk words that we wrote today. Here we go. Ch-unk. Chunk. Looks good. D-unk. Dunk. So far, so good. J-unk. Junk. I like it. Kindergarten, check and make sure that your words look just like mine. If they do, awesome possum. Here's what we're going to do next. I need you to either take your paper and flip it over like a pancake, or go to the bottom part, or maybe you need a whole new piece of paper. Maybe both sides are all filled up. Make sure that you have your paper ready, a pencil, and an eraser, because you have a sentence to write for me today. I better move my cleaning product. I have to clean the board before I give you a sentence. All right, kindergarten, your sentence today is, put the junk in here. Put the junk in here. Maybe you have a junk drawer at your house. I know I have one at mine. Let's count and see how many words are in that sentence today. Put the junk in here. One more time for me. Put the junk in here. I will see you when you are all done. Did you get your sentence written? All right, let's go ahead and check them. Let's first check for an uppercase letter, a capital letter. A sentence always starts with a capital because then I know that that's the beginning of the sentence. Awesome, that looks nice and tall. My key is standing up nice and tall. I love it. Now we need to check for a finger space. Remember, kindergarten, we don't want a teeny tiny space in between those words because we don't want them squished. But we also don't want a giant finger space in between the words because then they're going to be way too far apart and then we're going to take up way too much of our paper. We just want to make sure it's a nice little finger space. Are you still using that fun object you found around the house for your finger space? Maybe you found a marker. Maybe you found a popsicle stick. I don't know. Something cool. Here we go. I like it. Looks good. Great. Do I need one there? No, because there's no word after that one. Do I need one here? Nope. And what about here? Nope. All right, kindergarten. Now we need to check for either a period or a question mark. Whoops. Silly Miss Stahler, I forgot to put one. But I don't know if I need a period or a question mark. Should I just make a guess? Probably not. What can I do if I don't know if I need a period or a question mark? What can I do? I can read my sentence. And you know what? While I read my sentence to figure out what it needs, I'm going to also check that it makes sense. Here we go. Please read with me. Put the junk in here. Put the junk in here. It sounds good. It sounds like all my words are in order. I'm going to read it one more time just to see if I need a period or a question mark at the end. Put the junk in here. Well, it sounds like I'm telling someone to do something or I'm asking them to do it. So, Miss Stahler, I said either I'm telling or asking. Let's read it one more time. Put the junk in here. Oh, I am telling someone to do something. I'm telling them, put it in here. Okay, that means I need a period right here. If I was asking them to do something, I might say, would you put the junk in here? Will you put the junk in here? Then it would be a question. All right, kindergarten, I think my sentence looks great. What do you think? What? know, kindergarten. I see that T, but it's little. Little means lowercase, right? Nope. Uh-oh, kindergarten. Probably should pull out my rag. And you're right. Just because I made it short doesn't mean it's lowercase. That is still an uppercase T. I just made it little. So I need to erase it. And I need to write a lowercase t. And you know what? Awesome for me, because here's a lowercase t right here. I can just look at that one and then just make it the same over here. Thanks for catching that, kindergarten. You know how I am sometimes. Sometimes I miss things. All right. Oh, move the whole board. How does that look now? I like it too. I'm going to give myself a star. I'm going to give myself a swoopy star today. Whew. That was pretty swoopy, huh? All right, kindergarten. That was a pretty swoopy star. Kindergarten, go ahead and give yourself a star. You can give yourself a swoopy star or a regular star. Make sure that you illustrate and make sure that your illustration matches your words. I will see you later.